name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and behind me is the lovely Florence, Discovery 55 Mark II, number 50 from 2017. Come aboard with us and have a look and see what she's all about. So here is Florence of Dart. She is a 2017 Discovery 55 Mark II. She's hull number 50, one of the last ever to be made. Stunning flag blue topsides, repainted by Berthon in 2021. Looking very, very smart. She had a few updates done to her at that time, which always happy to chat through with you. She is in super condition. This owner bought her for serious blue water. She's done an arc, cruised the Caribbean. Sadly, COVID intervened, so she was shipped back to the Solent on a freighter. Since then, she's cruised Scotland and many other points between, and she's now coming onto the market, and we think she's terrific. So, hopping on board the yacht, she's got the lovely teak decks, Mark II, so flush hatches and lovely wraparound windows, and the hatch garage is flush. Moving forward, she's got good anchoring with a Lumar V4, and she's got a Fortress and Delta anchors. Self-tacking jib, of course. Furling at the front. Everything comes back to the cockpit. She's got a Selden white painted in-mast furling, electric for the mainsail. Bearing out poles on the front of the mast stowed there. And here we've got gas locker and also a storage locker on the starboard side. Powered winches for the Genoa. 2 main sheet winches behind. Full safety gear. Electric davits, of course. Dinghy and outboard. And this amazing protected centre cockpit. These steps make getting on and off the yacht when you're at anchor very, very straightforward, and she's got those nice gin and tonic seats as well. And then into this cockpit, lovely raised coaming, central pedestal. She's running on Raymarine, MFD there, bow thruster of course. And this is her utility winch from which you control everything from within the cockpit. You do not have to leave when you're on passage short-handed. Nice cockpit table. That top flips up in case you don't want to have the mug racks. Bimini. And of course these sheets come off so that you have really good vision and can see the main when you're underway. And now here we are in this Mark II interior. Oak. The floors, as ever with a Discovery, are in Antico and look lovely. Leather upholstery, all in great condition. And what we really like is this table which extends, and also the seating area, which we'll show you in a little while. Ocean air, of course, on all of the deck saloon windows. And this little seat moves backwards and forwards, so it moves out when you have somebody to dinner or sitting on it, and in so that when you're at sea or it's not being used, it doesn't intrude the passageway. Nice sofa, trotter box there, and this wonderful watch-keeping chart table. Large Raymarine MFD. It's got colour radar, plotter, Wi-Fi, all the stuff. She's also got Iridium for communications. So she's very well set up, and she has a lot of spares for blue water cruising as well. And then upper and lower berth cabin, nice wide and deep berths. Plenty of storage when people are sailing for a while. That all looks good. One of the features of the Mark II are the larger hull windows, which make a big difference and make the boats very light down below. Same thing in this VIP cabin. Very, very comfortable. Lots of storage. Great place to spend time. All LED lighting, of course. The yacht is really well maintained and always very up together. And here is her Discovery heads compartment. On Florence, the heads are all white, which works really, really well. And she's got the famous Discovery heated towel rail, fore and aft. She's got hydronic heating. Please just wave at Harry there. As well as tropical airco in this main saloon. So now we're going to go aft through the galley. She's got a GNS Spas gas cooker with 4 burners, normal twin sink and drainer. She's got a 230 volt microwave, larder, loads and loads of storage. Another deep window, which is absolutely lovely in the side. And of course, there are lots of opening hatches also in this area, port and starboard. And then the huge Discovery freezer and full-size fridge just to your left. Again, all in white. And owner's stateroom, split mattress, deep windows in the hull, very light and airy place. And of course the owner's stateroom runs right to the transom of the yacht, so you've got loads and loads of space and depth and masses of storage. You really have to have a look and see this. It just goes on and on and on. And then into the heads compartment. Again, all white, looks very smart. Electric lues back and front. And then we'll have a look at the washer dryer. Full size, as with all Discoveries. And then in the engine room, as normal, she's got a Yanmar 4LHA HTP 160 horsepower. See the manifold at the front of the engine for engine generator and other services. She's got water maker, Quattro inverter charger, other chargers just on the other side. Very smart engine room, very up together, spotless. The electrics for the winches are outboard. Really good insulation, all in great condition. And of course you've got all your tools just on the back side of the door, which is great. And now we're just going to go back to the main saloon. The Discovery 55 is a totally iconic blue water cruising yacht, perfect for a couple to do the world aboard. And Florence is one of the last to splash. 2017 Discovery 55 050.